Hey guys, it's Dee from San Remo. A couple things you'll need to do after you reset the Cafe Racer, factory reset. You'll need to obviously now adjust your time of your machine. So the way you do that is you go to group head 1, hold down the middle button while the machine is on. The middle display will come up with dose setting, select within 30 seconds. Don't let go of the button, just keep holding it down. Then the next screen will come up with clock adjust. Once it comes up, press the T tab. And this is how you adjust your time. So at the moment, the time is 10 o'clock on a Thursday morning, and you just to change it and then scroll all the way out. And that's how you adjust your time and date. Once you're finished with the screen, just keep pressing enter and it will scroll all the way back out and it'll go back to the main display.